Hi, Jay Bush and Duke here for Bush's Country Style Baked Beans. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
They're slow cooked with extra brown sugar and hickory smoked bacon, so the sauce is thicker and the flavor is richer.
I've only shared Bush's secret family recipe with Duke, and he's not talking. Wow, Duke, look, crop circle. You don't think UFOs?
Yeah, that's it. UFOs.
Try Bush's Country Style Baked Beans.
Bush's secret family recipe for sale.
Duke! Did you have something to do with this?
Right, Jay. I'm running a printing press in my basement.
Bush's Baked Beans, made with our secret family recipe.
This plan for selling the secret family recipe is almost perfect. Uh-oh.
Here you are, Duke. Good boy.
Enjoy Bush's Baked Beans, made with our secret family recipe.
Bush's Baked Beans, that special blend of spices.
Hey, Jay, are you ever going to let me sell the secret family recipe?
Sure, when pigs fly.
Now, just buzz the house a few times, and that should do it.
Enjoy Bush's Baked Beans.
What you got there, Duke?
Jay and Duke talking action figures. My idea.
Love it. Let's see what I say.
Roll that beautiful bean footage. Bush's Country Style Baked Beans are slow cooked according to our secret family recipe with specially cured bacon and extra brown sugar for a thicker sauce and richer taste.
The secret family recipe starts with beans and fruit.
Batteries not included.
Aw, you're no fun.
Enjoy Bush's Baked Beans, still made from our secret family recipe. So, Duke, what do you think of our new Bush's Baked Beans video?
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Okay, now pick up the specially cured bacon, hit it with the brown sugar. Now roll that beautiful bean footage. Yes! Bush's Baked Beans are slow cooked according to our secret family recipe for big flavor.
High score. You get to put your name on the Wall of Fame.
Whoa, game over.
Aw, you're no fun.
Enjoy Bush's Baked Beans, still made from our secret family recipe.